How do I sync my Garmin Connect data to my Apple Watch?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling an issue many fitness enthusiasts face: syncing your Garmin Connect data with your Apple Watch. It's essential for keeping your health and fitness metrics consistent across devices. So, let's get started, and remember, we will highlight the important steps to make sure you don't miss anything.
What is Garmin Connect?
Garmin Connect is an online community created by Garmin for people who use their products, including smartwatches and GPS devices. Here, you can track, analyze, and share your fitness activities. But to have all your data in one place, you may want to sync this data with your Apple Watch.
Is direct sync possible?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no direct way to sync Garmin Connect data with an Apple Watch. Garmin and Apple use different systems and platforms, which makes direct syncing currently impossible.
What's the workaround?
Even though a direct sync isn't possible, you can still achieve a similar result using third-party apps like Strava or Apple Health. You can sync your Garmin Connect data to these platforms, and then sync that data to your Apple Watch.
How to use Strava as a bridge?
Firstly, you'll need to connect your Garmin Connect account with Strava. You can do this by logging into Strava, going to Settings, then Social Connections, and finally choosing Connect with Garmin. Once your Garmin data is synced with Strava, you can then install the Strava app on your Apple Watch. The Strava app will display your Garmin Connect data, effectively bridging the gap between your Garmin device and your Apple Watch.
How to use Apple Health as a bridge?
Another option is to use Apple Health as an intermediary. You can sync your Garmin Connect data with Apple Health in the Garmin Connect app by going to Settings, Third-Party Apps, and then Apple Health. Once the data is synced with Apple Health, it will also be available on your Apple Watch because Apple Health automatically syncs with the Apple Watch. While it may initially seem challenging, syncing your Garmin Connect data with your Apple Watch is achievable using either Strava or Apple Health as a bridge. By following the steps we've outlined, you should be able to access your Garmin Connect data directly from your Apple Watch. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.